Hey everyone, welcome back to our show, where we learn English through real drama.
Today, we're diving into celebrity feuds. From Twitter fights to Instagram arguments, these feuds are full of vocabulary and slang you won't find in textbooks.
Exactly. Whether it's a subtle clapback or a full-blown public fight, there's so much to learn from how celebrities argue online.
All right, let's jump in. Popcorn optional, drama guaranteed.
Setting the scene. So here's today's example. A recent feud between two popular musicians blew up on social media.
It started when one celebrity tweeted a cryptic comment about fake friends. Soon, the other celebrity responded indirectly, and fans exploded.
Before we go further, let's talk about one of the first words you'll see in celebrity drama: clapback.
A clapback is a quick, clever, or sharp response to criticism.
Example: she tweeted a clapback at the fan who criticized her outfit.
In celebrity feuds, clapbacks are everywhere. Tweets, interviews, even Instagram stories.
So if you see someone say, "That was a savage clapback," now you know what it means.
Next word, shade. Throwing shade means making a subtle or indirect insult.
Example: he threw shade at his ex by liking posts that implied she was fake.
Shade is subtle, more like a hint or jab than a full argument.
You'll also hear the word canceled.
Canceled means someone is publicly criticized or boycotted online.
Example: fans said he should be canceled for his comments.
In celebrity feuds, people are quick to say someone is canceled, even over small things.
Of course, there's drama.
Drama is a situation that is exciting, emotional, or chaotic.
It's often used online whenever there's a fight or argument that captures public attention.
Next up, clout.
Clout is influence or popularity, especially online.
Some feuds are clearly started for clout.
Exactly. Sometimes celebrities argue just to get attention, increase views, or trend online.
Another word you'll see a lot, stan.
Stan is both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it's a very devoted fan. As a verb, it means to support someone strongly.
Example: her stans started defending her in the comments.
Stan culture is huge in celebrity feuds because fans join in and escalate the drama.
Once the feud escalated, fans began flooding the comment sections with phrases like, "This is messy," "She's savage," "Big oof."
Breaking those down, messy means complicated or chaotic. Savage means bold or brutal. Big oof means something bad happened, like ouch.
These are casual phrases used by fans online, and they show how informal English can be.
Some other expressions: receipts means proof, like screenshots. Throwing hands means fighting, sometimes literally, sometimes figuratively. Clapped means embarrassed or defeated.
So a fan might comment, "She threw hands in this clapback and he got clapped."
It sounds chaotic, but each word has a clear meaning once you break it down.
Here's a tip. When reading celebrity drama, try to rewrite the story in simple English.
Example: celebrity A insulted celebrity B. Fans reacted online. Celebrity B responded with a clapback. Drama exploded.
Breaking it down makes it easier to understand new vocabulary and slang.
So today, we learned vocabulary from celebrity feuds: clapback, shade, canceled, drama, clout, stan, messy, savage, big oof, receipts.
If you follow celebrity news online, you'll start seeing these words everywhere.
And using them correctly will make your English sound natural and modern.
Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, follow us for more internet drama explained in simple English.
Next time, we'll cover a viral TikTok fight full of slang, emojis, and chaotic comments.
See you next time. Keep learning, keep laughing, and keep scrolling.
And remember, celebrity drama isn't just gossip, it's English practice.